All right, let's build a tail. This is for the conventional tail. All right, so if you have the V tail or the T tail, you're going to need to talk to me about that because I have the CAD files that is basically the image you're going to be working off of, and since those tails are going to fly, they require some additional measures to get them airworthy. So coordinate with me if you have the V tail or the T tail. If you are one of the groups that has the conventional tail, follow this video, you'll have a conventional tail after this. So get all your parts, and then first thing we're going to do is just assemble it without any glue to kind of give you an idea of where the parts are going to go, and then we will glue it all together. So the three have a hole in them. There's a little more or less like that. This piece slots through.
One and then not another one. It's not even glued or anything, it's just sitting there. Yeah, I don't know what that's for you.
Wait, sorry, I have only but everything. I have doesn't matter to me. I'm good with whatever.
So this needs to be pushed back. I guess I probably will. So this middle piece, just line that up, edge to. What do you need?
We need the maker called stringers.
These kind of arch pieces.
Right there.
Well, those are the strings,
Yeah.
Behind
Right there.
the side. That part.
But the one I had so far was 5. And so 2, but on the 3. Like,
So that's the bulk of the structure. These plywood pieces. And then we'll add in pieces. Kind of stand that up like that.
Looks like they probably just go.
And then you'll notice
So then we have to cut those.
there are little lines on these rig pieces. These lines are going to tell you where these pieces go. So if your line is horizontal, or parallel to the back, it's part of the horizontal tail. If it's vertical, then it's part of the vertical tail. So you should only have a single number of the vertical ones and 2 of the same horizontal ones, because 2 halves of the horizontal, but only 1 vertical. So, and they have numbers on them, or I guess the number of lines indicates where they're going to go. So 1 goes in 1, 2 goes in 2, and 3 goes on the end in 3. Do the same thing on the other side.
That's a fabulous one. I mean, because I don't even think like the actual chains are so
And then
make laser cut pendants.
have shear webbing.
Until
Now this shear webbing is on an angle, so it's not going to fit
okay.
as well as a 90-degree fit would.
They still weren't here and he ordered them in February. And
So-
I was like, you have got to be
I would suggest
Everything is ridiculous. That's fine.
Denoting by X the possibility of still being alive at the time. intensity of seducing girls, and by 8, the constant relating seducing rate is
Yeah, my son over there.
of contracting AIDS. We get. Oh, sorry. I'm just getting my homework.
What class?
What class is that?
Also, guys in control.
So that's one of the shear webs. It's not going to want to stay because it doesn't want to be at a non-90 degree connection with the other part. But
Things working out.
So
I'm gonna pull it up.
Let's do it.
we got like a thing called optimal seducing process for dynamic continuous lovers under risk to being killed by a rival. I don't even fucking know who this man is.
Molly, what's the
Weber space with capital W. I just matter.
I
At
don't know. I think
5
we already
and then
put these
2016.
so you get the idea that these are going. It's not going to stay in place unless it's
Or I
glued.
mean, like the ones that
So
After this,
for now,
we're gonna
just
use this thing.
building it so you know where things are going. Let's look at the
sections like the space ones.
vertical tail.
Yeah, here. I'm gonna wrap.
That's going to have this shear web piece. Again, there's a one little single line there.
Make it a bang bang control problem.
That's the first one.
Although it all did like a pretty big Well,
Actually, you need
This goes right there.
or have you?
So that won't stay without glue. And the vertical tail doesn't have any shear web in it, and that's fine. It doesn't need the additional torsional stiffness. So what are we at time?
Yeah, I think it'll say.
We'll go ahead and do the gluing for this. It's fine. Let's do it like this.
yeah, I think that's
Glue. Right, in this video, we'll just continue. We'll glue this together, and then in the next one, we'll glue the horizontal and verticals, and then we'll attach it together in one assembly. So, using thick CA, glue, and
Can you tell? Are you good? I know. I was saying
It will be
on the bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my way.
glue has been used. I could fast forward through this part. Alright. So. You want to glue all around these parts. Get these bulkheads well attached to.
So this is the
So kind of want to make sure they're straight. See how this bulkhead in the front isn't quite straight? Shape it. Make sure you're not putting glue on this whole side, just on the other side. Because this face is going to meet the face of the fuselage, and if you have glue or some obstruction there, there's going to be interference, and then it won't actually go over the building.
I'm gonna do this side first.
Yeah, I mean,
You already did.
we'll flip over to glue it, but
Yeah.
it fits in there.
So those are glued. Just check to make sure they're straight. Then you can glue on the horizontal.
Oh, yeah, so oh, so you need to scale
I don't know if I have it, but I know I have it.
oh, it's looking possible.
Yeah. It seemed like the cheapest.
Great.
Where are you gonna do that? Oh, you don't know.
I mean, I know where the work will work. I have no idea where
Actually, let me just get the video because it shows me everything.
but I won't know for a couple weeks. Yeah, my name and everything.
Oh, I did.
Controllers are pushed down. In place.
I'm just saying, this thing, you gotta be really careful. This is not really good. Because they printed layers like this, which should not have.
Yeah, I think I'll use it.
No, we should.
Do you want the
Alright. So in the next video, we'll go over how to put on the horizontal. We'll build the two horizontals and the vertical, and then attach these to this main structure.